Every year, camera companies release newer and more powerful cameras. Yet somehow, people are still searching for this. The Fujifilm X100F, a camera released back in 2017. So the question is, why are people still paying premium prices for a 9-year-old compact camera? Today, we're going to find it out. The Fujifilm X100F has become one of the most desirable compact cameras ever made. Some people buy it for travel, some buy it for street photography, and many people simply buy it because they love the Fujifilm experience. The first thing I notice is the design. This doesn't look like a modern digital camera. It looks like classic film camera. Everything from the shutter speed dial, the exposure compensation dial, and aperture ring makes you want to slow down and actually enjoy photography. Instead of shooting hundreds of photos, you start thinking before pressing the shutter. Inside this little camera is a 24.3 megapixel APS-C X-Tran CMOS 3 sensor. Even in 2026, this sensor still delivers beautiful colors, excellent dynamic range, and plenty of details. The JPEG colors straight out of the camera are one of the biggest reasons people love Fujifilm. Unlike interchangeable lens cameras, the X100F comes with a 23mm f2 lens that gives you 35 full-frame equivalent, which is probably one of the most versatile focal lens ever made. Perfect for street photography, travel, daily life, environmental portraits, and storytelling. Enough talking, let's see what this camera can actually do. These images have the classic Fujifilm look, natural colors, great contrast, beautiful sharpness, and when the light is good, the result honestly don't feel like they're coming from the camera that almost decade old. So, how about the autofocus? Compared to today's latest camera, it's definitely slower. You won't buy this camera for sports, wildlife, or fast action. But for everyday photography, travel, and street shooting, it's still more than capable. And before we end this video guys, I want to share something special. As someone who loves cameras, photography, and filmmaking, I'm starting a new journey in one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Introducing Siquijor Camera House, a camera rental service made for travelers, vloggers, and creators visiting Siquijor. Soon you can rent cameras, lenses, and creator tools, from simple travel cameras, vlogging setup, up to cinematic creator packages. So even if you travel without bringing your own gear, you can still capture amazing memories, because when you visit a beautiful place like Siquijor, don't just explore the island. Capture your story. Our rental service is coming soon, so please support us by liking and following our official Facebook page, Siquijor Camera House. Be part of our journey from the beginning. Rent, shoot, and explore. Who should actually buy the Fujifilm X100F in 2026? If you are looking for one camera you can carry every day, love photography more than specs, enjoy manual controls, and want amazing JPEG colors without spending hours editing, this camera still makes a lot of sense. But if your priority is video, vlogging, professional autofocus, and are definitely better options for today. So, is the Fujifilm X100F still worth buying in 2026? My answer is yes. Not because it's the newest, not because it's the fastest, but because it delivers something many modern cameras don't: a photography experience. It's one of those cameras that makes you want to go outside, walk around, and simply enjoy taking photos. And honestly, that's something no spec sheet can measure. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because here on Rappi Sam Steel, we don't chase trends, we use what works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.